Index funds are an essential part of any long-term investment strategy, and this is why successful investors love them. In this video, I'm going to show you not only what they are, but why you should hold an index fund in your portfolio. My name is Evelyn, and I'm the head of business development here at Stayborg. But before we begin looking at the benefits of an index fund, let me explain to you what an index is. Many people might have heard of the S&P 500 or the FTSE 100, two market indexes that work like baskets of stocks that are meant to measure the value of an entire market. For example, let's take the British FTSE 100. It contains 100 major companies that are listed on the London Stock Exchange, such as EasyJet, BP, and HSBC. If the share prices of these companies rise, the index rises as well. If they fall, the FTSE will follow. But because an index fund contains a diversified portfolio of investments, if one investment is performing poorly, there's a really high chance there will be another one that will be performing well, which minimizes your losses. On the other hand, if you invest in individual projects, if one goes south, your savings can take a much bigger hit. Pretty much every successful investor will have an index fund in their portfolios, and that's because it provides broad diversification, lower costs, and attractive returns. Given the benefits it has brought to investors in the traditional finance industry, at Stayborg, we believe the index funds market has the potential to replicate its evolution in the digital asset space, but at a higher pace. When investing on your own, you often face the same problems. When is the best time to enter or exit? Which projects should I invest in? And what proportions should I allocate to each investment? And these are challenging tasks, even for industry professionals, not to mention for someone that cannot track the market trends full-time. An index solves all these problems for you because it's actively managed by a team of experts in a transparent fashion. It also allows you to have exposure to macro trends whilst de-risking your investments. So here at Stayborg, we took on the challenge of putting together our own index with the goal of tracking the industry as we see it. This week, we're launching the Invest Like Stayborg Index, or IOSI for short. In our next video, my colleague Razvan will walk you through all the components of the index, but most importantly, he will explain how every single token we picked fits in with our long-term investment strategy. Don't miss it.